All right, welcome to Cruise Control. My name's Eric, and today we talk about an upcoming concept from Hyundai, the 7. Probably the Ioniq 7. Let's talk about that right now. All right, so this is in concept form, so it will be toned down once it actually comes out, but what? This thing looks crazy. I love the front end. Looks very sleek, very stylish. The side profile is very cool, 3/4 angle. Then you get to the back, and I'm like, what happened? What is this massive piece of glass? It takes a lot to get used to. And then you start looking on the interior, and you're like, okay, yeah, this is definitely a concept. There's no way that a manufacturer is going to come out with something like this. They made it look like a lounge. They made it look all, I don't know, like 70s futuristic, where, you know, like people in the 70s thought this is what the future would look like. That's kind of what this looks like to me. So very interesting design, and I don't know what it's going to come out with as far as like the real interior, and I don't know what they're going to do to the back end. If they keep the front and the 3/4 panel looking the same, that looks good, but let's fix the back, and I'm looking forward to seeing what the interior actually looks like. And if you look at this one shot here, it shows the 7 and then looks like a sports car, and then the 5 in the back. So excited to see Hyundai's future when it comes to SUVs and EVs in general. What do you guys think? This is supposed to have about 300 miles of range, and hooked up to a fast charger can go from 10 to 80% in about 20 minutes. So sounds pretty good to me, as long as you fix a couple things and explain some stuff to me. Anyways, leave your comments down below. My name's Eric. This is Cruise Control. Thank you for watching.